How you can find the vignette option in CapCut Mobile completely for free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
One click and select your video clip, select it and highlight it, and scroll to the right and see the option which says adjust, video quality and auto reframe. You want to scroll to the right, you should see the option which is vignette, the second to last option next to grain and now, if you take this slider icon in the middle part hand of the screen, move this to the right, it's adding or creating a vignette to our video clip in color black. If you drag it to the left, it's adding a vignette effect, but it's color white. Dragging it to the right, and once you're happy and satisfied, you can click the check mark. If you want, you can apply this to all of your video clips. Say this is what we have. If you want a bonus tip and trick, you can even add a fade in of a vignette. For example, at the beginning part of the video, we're going to click and we're going to add a diamond keyframe or add a keyframe right here with an icon. Go to the end of the video clip, click an icon one more time. So at keyframe, scroll to the right, adjust, vignette, and I'm going to drag this to the left, moves me to the right, so we added a full vignette effect and check mark. This is what we have. You have now successfully applied and found the vignette effect free feature in CapCut Mobile completely for free.